Bet you didn't realize this was a kind of vise. Hey, welcome to another Cool Tool video. For this one, I'm going to talk about pin vises. Now these again are a really cheap tool that you might find at a hardware store or something like that. And they have kind of a drill chuck at the end. And so you're able to manually tighten that around anything round, and then it gives you a nice big handle on it. So you can usually find a set of different sizes of these, different collets or chucks for them. And I use them for tons of things around the studio, which is why I wanted to highlight them. One example is with small scale taps. So if you can zoom in here. And so when I'm threading small little holes for micro hardware and things like that, you can buy a set of tap holders. This is a really nice tool and a lot more expensive than the little pin vise, but you can also use the smaller pin vises to hold those taps just as well. So there's lots of versions of these at lots of different price points, but keep an eye out at some of the cheaper hardware stores or things like that and pick yourself up a set, and you will never be sorry. So hope you enjoyed the pin vise cool tool. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can hear from me when I post future videos. Thanks for stopping by.